A few things about this eye. Look at the malabsorption ring around the pupil. It's dark. Okay, the person is not absorbing nutrients properly. Look at the skin ring. The skin is not eliminating waste properly as well. Look at the kidney and adrenals, also very weak, which also explains the skin weakness as well. Because when the kidney and adrenals are not working properly, the acids will back up because the lymph will get stagnant. Look at this spastic bowels. The bowels have caved in almost. Okay, the bowels are quite toxic and congested. You need to detox this. Okay, you can see small radii solaris coming out of the pupil. It means these are toxic channels coming into other body parts and glands. The head region is the face region is quite congested as well. Notice that the heart 245 is also quite congested. The person needs to focus on the bowels and do a general detox to remove all the acids out of the body. The pituitary gland also here is weak. This is master gland that controls all the other glands, and if that's down, everything go down. That's why the adrenals and kidneys are also weak as well.